AI is changing many industries, but what nobody's talking about right now is trading. AI is absolutely revolutionizing trading with this innovation of essentially using AI bots to actually go into someone's exchange via an API and then take trades for them. And the best thing about this is these AI bots can't actually withdraw from the exchange if you just tick a certain box when you connect it to the API. So they're only going to have access to the trades and the assets that are picked. And this way, it's basically automated trading where, yeah, your account is completely secured. It's still on your trading account, but it's all API based. It's basically a robot controlling your account without the ability to withdraw. So today, we're going to be talking about DipSway because these guys offer the best AI product out there when it comes to this. I'm not a financial advisor, but without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So this is DipSway, and these guys basically offer the best solution when it comes to trading with an AI bot via an API. If you don't know what an API is, it's basically just using the computer back end to execute trades. And this is actually better because it executes the trades super quickly, like you would do pressing a button in a video game, something like this, right? These guys offer the ability to basically just use the AI, execute the trade instantly, no manual delay if you were doing that trade manually following a signal. This would just get that trade, say, hey, now the volume or the volatility is here, and then execute that trade instantly in your account. And I think that is something that is revolutionary, completely innovating the crypto and trading space. So these guys have decades of experience in trading, and what they've done, they've taken that experience, they've taken those manual back tests that they've got, and they've took thousands of hours and put it into an AI bot to essentially learn via the neural network. And then when a trade appears, the AI will essentially know how to take the trade, when to take the trade, what risk is appropriate, and then take advantage of very profitable scenarios. This could be super high frequency like the banks do or Wall Street do, or this could be something that's a weekly swing trade. These guys are really good at all of it, right? We can see here over the past 3 months, they've generated over $250,000 from everyone using this platform. They use a combination of 121 different technical indicators, and these guys just really nail it from top to bottom. What I will say as well, guys, is they do offer 12 different exchanges, and these are basically all of the biggest exchanges on the market right now for crypto. So you got Binance, you got Kraken, you got BitGet, KuCoin, right? All of the big dogs, even Coinbase here, when it comes to trading. These guys offer it all when it comes to the API integration. Here we can actually see the calculations of the earnings based on their bot's performance so far. So here we can see over a 12-month period, we can see that we would actually double our money. Let's say we put in, I don't know, $10,000. All right, we can actually see this is going to calculate how much we will potentially earn based on previous performance of recent years. We see here over a 12-month period, we will double that money with a 2.02x increase. That's basically 100% gains from what you've put in over a year. That's fantastic. The best thing about this, guys, is it's going to take only 8 trades per day, and you can see that there is a free trial available. So you can actually try this for 30 days, actually just connect it to your exchange, put a little bit of money in there, and then if it makes money, you can just use that money it's made to actually just buy the subscription and have this as a compounding system that's just consistently making money. And one thing they have coming that's very, very soon is a brand new update to their AI, which is called autopilot. This is essentially basically analyzing the markets when volume's super low and when there is a breakout about to happen. The AI will recognize that, get you in before the pump, and then get you out as that pump is ending. So this is something that's completely game breaking when it comes to trading, and it's super, super profitable. And when it comes to setting this up, it's actually super easy. We can see here, all you got to do is sign into your exchange, turn the bot on, and then just monitor the analytics, see how it's performing. If you like how it's performing, great. If you don't, then that's absolutely fine. Again, you've got this for 30 days for free anyway, so it's worth just trying it, letting it control a couple $1,000s, and then seeing if it doubles it, seeing if it increases that over time with its trading strategies. If it does, you can then use that profit to upgrade, and that's where we should talk about pricing. So we can see here the pricing is actually very, very cheap. We can see in terms of euros here, guys, it's literally $44 a month. when it comes to a trading bot, something that's going to basically double your money every year based on the calculations they've given, right? This is something that is crazy, crazy cheap. If you've got 100,000, you're letting this trade with 100,000, you can make 100K every single year, and that would obviously double and compound every single year. But we can see here for only $44 a month. That is crazy, crazy cheap. And you can see here, so it's only $44 a month. So if you have a decent amount here, you could basically double that over a year. And again, as long as you're making more than $44 a month, it's a winning scenario. Let's talk about what these actually give you. Okay, so we can see here the speed frequency is 60 seconds. What that means is it's basically going to check for trades every single minutes. Okay, and that's fantastic. Obviously, that's what you want. Every minute candle, there will be a new opportunity. But if you go up to the next thing, it's actually going to be every 2.3 seconds, this thing is going to be looking for trades. And that will be obviously in 3-second candles, something like this. And then obviously the maximum one, which is the whale package, which is $224, we can see every second candle, it's going to be looking for trades. And this could be ridiculous amounts of trades per day that can make you ridiculous amounts of money. So good stuff there. Great in terms of pricing, I will say. And if you use our link down in the description, there is a high chance you will get a discount. So that is DipSway. Definitely check them out. Again, they're using AI and API to essentially access the exchange instantly without any withdraw button, anything like this. And then it's just going to control the trades, pick the assets, and make you money over time using its AI neural network that has been trained on thousands of hours of back testing. So that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.